Hey everyone, I hope you're staying safe because we've got some serious weather coming our way. A less than strong, greater than severe thunderstorm watch less than strong greater than has been issued across our region, and we need to be prepared. This system is bringing heavy rain, strong winds, and even the possibility of tornadoes in some areas. If you're in a flood-prone zone, now is the time to take precautions. Early this morning, powerful thunderstorms swept through, leaving behind damage and debris across many communities. And guess what? This is just the beginning. Less than strong greater than. Multiple rounds of storms less than strong greater than are expected to continue through the next few days, with the potential for less than strong greater than 3 to 6 inches of rainfall less than strong greater than by the weekend. Some localized areas could even see up to less than strong greater than 7 inches less than strong greater than. That's a lot of water, and it has to go somewhere. Flooding is going to be a major concern, especially overnight, when the heaviest rain is expected. If you live in a low-lying area, keep a close eye on alerts. Less than strong, greater than basements, roads, and riverbanks are all at risk. Less than strong greater than the Little Miami and Great Miami rivers, as well as the Ohio River, are expected to rise significantly, possibly leading to road closures and property damage. Wind speeds are also something to watch out for. Gusts could reach up to less than strong greater than 60 miles per hour less than strong greater than, which means power outages, fallen trees, and flying debris are real threats. Make sure you secure any loose outdoor items and charge up your devices in case of an outage. Looking ahead, the rain isn't going to let up anytime soon. Friday through Saturday will bring less than strong greater than additional thunderstorms less than Shakeup strong greater than, some of which may produce less than strong greater than lightning, and strong winds less than Shakeup strong greater than. The worst of it should start tapering off by Sunday morning, but by then we'll already be dealing with the aftermath: flooded roads, swollen rivers, and the potential for property damage. So what can you do right now? Less than strong greater than, stay informed, stay indoors if possible, and have an emergency plan in place. Less than strong greater than. If you need to travel, be extra cautious. Less than strong greater than, never drive through flooded roads. Less than strong greater than, keep an eye on weather alerts, check your sump pumps, and have emergency supplies ready just in case. We'll keep you updated as this weather system moves through, but for now, stay safe, stay dry, and look out for each other. We'll get through this together. Stay subscribed for more videos.